Hey guys, what is up? Ecosystem token and the role the new tree token will play in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shibarium is the layer 2 blockchain solution designed by Shiba to allow users and developers to create novel uses of existing blockchain infrastructure. Once it launches, Shib tokens will be migrated to the L2. Kusama introduces Treat. Satoshi Kusama noted that Treat has been silently developed and will launch as part of the Shiba ecosystem expansion. He calls the development of the Treat token as a huge step towards decentralization. The new token will replace Bone as the community voted to halt the minting of Bone at 230 million in the latest community proposal. This means that Treat will also replace Bone as Shibaswap rewards. Okay, Satoshi explains that Treat will also have a role in the Shiba Inu metaverse Shiba Inu game. In addition, Treat will play an important role in balancing Shib, the upcoming Shiba Inu stablecoin. Why should you care? The Shiba Inu team has set aside a limited supply of Treat for Burried members that have the most loyal to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. You can read more about Shiba's transition from a meme coin below. Is Shiba Inu ending its meme coin era? Read about Bone proposal in Shiba Inu community votes on crucial Bone upgrade for Shibarium. So guys, as you can see, okay, there's a new introduction in the Shiba ecosystem, Treat. Now Treat is going to replace the rewards that we'd get with Bone, because as you know, after the Bone, everyone, pretty much every single person voted for the same point, okay, to halt the minting of Bone at 230, because, you know, guys, if they create more in the supply, who knows, the price might go down and it's going to end up like printing out money for countries. It's just going to cause a massive problem. So it's better to keep it the way it is. And Treat is going to I think is gonna replace it for the rewards, but this is something very new, okay? So I'm gonna make more videos and go into more detail. Now this is kind of a general summary. One point is that I didn't really like how it was summarized, and the fact that it said, oh, it's gonna replace a Bone. First time I read it, I really freaked out, but remember, Bone is still gonna keep its utility. Its utility is still gonna be there. It's gonna be very important for Shibarium. So hopefully there's no reason to panic, okay? If there is, I'll make another video, but for now everything is good. But again, these articles, they have to be very careful with how they phrase things, because otherwise, you know, the moment I just see, oh, it will replace Bone, I really did freak out. I thought, oh, okay, so Bone is gone? Are they just gonna delete Bone? What's gonna happen with all our bags? In general, what's gonna happen with my YouTube channel, because I've been dedicating so many videos to Bone, to Shibarium as well. So guys, I think at the moment the team is really starting to figure out how they can make this Shib ecosystem work very well. It's not that easy, you know, just to stop supply, because we still need the rewards from all the digging, burying, staking. All that stuff is so important. So I think they realized that something needs to be done, and somehow there should be something introduced in order to still make it feasible, viable, and efficient. So more information regarding Treat, I'm going to produce it. I'm going to pop it out for you guys so you can know the latest things that are happening. Also guys, if you want to stay up to date, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit that notifications bell. All this stuff is so important, guys. Be part of the community. This community is growing. We're all exchanging information. If you have any info, please leave it down below in the comment section. What do you think about the new ecosystem token Treat? Do you think it is good? Is it gonna help, or is it just one of those useless developments? Just let me know what you think. Everything in the comment section, please. Let's create a discussion. This YouTube channel should be almost like a forum, okay? An exchange of ideas. And as usual, guys, just want to say a big thank you to everyone. Loving the support. So grateful for everything. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.